8 Project Management Best Practices. Jack Wallen outlines his best practices for project management to ensure your teams run efficiently. Top Project Management Best Practices. Start with a plan. Before even building your project within a project management platform, you should go in with a fully realized plan for what the project is, what purpose it serves, how far you plan on taking it beyond the original deliverable date, what the goals are, and how the project will benefit your company and customers. Communicate regularly with key stakeholders. Nothing helps a project run effectively like good communication. Set up whatever tools are required to keep your teams communicating. Document your resources. Resources can mean team members, servers, meeting rooms, bandwidth, and more. Monitor the workload. When you find one team member or team is being asked too much, it's time to spread out duties so burnout is avoided. Employ risk management. Risk is everywhere, and it takes a lot of effort to manage it. Prevent scope creep. It will be tempting at some point in your project lifecycle to go beyond the boundaries of your project. Hold regular but brief meetings. Do not stray from the topic and do not hold your stakeholders long, otherwise they'll come to look at these meetings as bothersome. Keep extensive documentation. The more documentation you keep, the more efficiently the project will run and the more likely you'll be able to repeat a successful project should you need it.